Hey guys, this is Don with Dr. Cole's Auto Repair, back at it again. I'm actually shooting this video to, one, respond to my customer's question, and two, respond to just a common question that I run into. Why do I have to replace the intake manifold, or depending on the variation of your car, they may call it intake manifold or intake plenum gasket. It just depends on however they call it. Well, I'll explain why. The intake manifold, this is where the vehicle intakes air into the actual manifold itself, into the engine itself. There's a rubber gasket that creates a seal barrier in between the manifold and the engine. Those rings that you see right there. Well, this gasket is supposed to create a little bit of a lip when you put it in there. Just a little bit over the, raised a little bit over the top of the manifold, and when you tighten everything down, this gasket squeezes and spreads. That creates a airtight, liquid tight, whatever tight barrier between the intake and the engine. The problem is you have to replace these anytime you do a tune-up, and you have to remove the intake to get to the back coil packs and spark plugs. The reason why you have to replace it is the original gasket over time just stays smushed and flattened it into that position. But if I put this one back on, you're gonna have a mean air leak from the intake and the engine. And that's gonna have your car running all types of rough, running worse than it did before your actual tune-up. So the reason why you have to replace these gaskets, it's simple. They get smushed, crushed, fried flat, and you gotta get rid of them. It's Don with Dr. Cole's Auto Repair. Have a good one.